Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Zepp application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to open the Zepp application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it like this. And usually when you open the Zepp application, you will see the home screen. Now tap on device to open the device page. And on this page, you should see your Balance 2 XT, if the devices are paired together, of course. And under the watch, you should see this watch faces and App Store categories. Tap on the App Store. And here we have the App Store. Basically, you can scroll through the list of apps, look for something you would like to install, and then you can install the applications. To install the app, you simply find one you like, you tap on it. Here we have the description of the app, the features, or basically the update story, and the size of the app, and if it's free or not. Basically, you have some basic descriptions and the screenshots from the application. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install. It will start downloading and then transferring to your watch. And once it's done, you will see that the install button will change to installed instead of install. Also, if you go to mine, you will see the list of applications installed on your watch right here, my AMAZFIT Balance 2 XT. And if you tap on more, the app should be right here on the list. Okay, and you can install multiple applications if you want to. One thing to mention, of course, if you install the application and open the menu, the icon should be right here in the menu. So it should appear right here. Okay, and basically that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.